Pembrokeshire Coast National Park Trust is a charity set up to champion our conservation, our communities, our culture and coastline. From woods to hedge banks, coastal valleys, orchards and fields, our trees are under threat and we need more of them in the landscape. We are working hard to create new woodland corridors across the National Park for wildlife to grow and thrive. Biodiversity is really important. We need the birds, we need the bugs, we need that whole life cycle that goes on in these woods.
In the last 75 years, the UK has lost over 95% of its wildflower meadows. Meadows like this one form important stepping stones for wildlife to travel through our landscape, and they're coming under increasing pressure. Trapped between the sea and more intensively farmed land inland, this wild corridor is the last refuge for wildlife. And as climate change affects things, the sea level is starting to rise, temperature and weather can all impact wildlife. And the more spaces there are for them to spread out, the more space there is for them to thrive. The cliffs are amazing because you get these incredible stacked up slabs of limestone on this side of the bay, and the other side of the bay is old red sandstone, which is a much softer, more rounded shape. And the two different types of geology meet right in the middle of the bay just here. Enabling everyone to make the most of the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park is important. The nature on our doorstep is simply incredible.
We're working with schools and community groups in the county to help inspire and foster a lifelong passion and understanding of our environment.
We need your help to protect the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park.
Together we can make a difference.
This is our national park. Let's protect it together.